Now let's talk about average velocity. If a position is given as a function of time for any 2 points in time, A and B, the average velocity is the change in the distance, that's basically the y values at time B and at time A, divided by the amount of time change, which would be B minus A. So if you want to find average velocity, that's the formula we're going to use. So it says in the physics experiment, a ball is catapulted upward. The height of the ball is represented by this equation, where t is in seconds and the height of the ball is measured in feet. What was the ball's average velocity between these two times? So the formula we just had said that the average velocity, which they say t subscript avg for average, is equal to f of the second time, which would be 2, minus f of 1, that's the change in distance, divided by the time change between the two. So as I plug in these values, let's see, f of 2, I'm going to use the calculator just to help us out this time, just for calculations, not trying to go through the whole picture. So the equation here is f of t equals negative 16t squared plus 95t plus 15. And I'm just going to get a table out real quick. And specifically, we want to know the difference between time at 1 second and time at 2 seconds. I don't need any of these other times here. And so what I'm getting mathematically is f of 2 would be 141 minus 94. And 2 minus 1 is 1. Looks like a negative sign. Let me take that away right there. Okay, and so when I subtract that out, 141 minus 94, we see it's 47. And so the average velocity is 47. And this would be, since it said in seconds and feet, this would be feet divided by seconds. Now you might be wondering, how did I get that unit? Well, because these values were in feet, these values were in seconds, and so it's feet divided by seconds. That's how the units would work. All right, and this is a positive change right now. This would be positive. Let me go here. Between 1 and 2 seconds, this graph is going, as you can see, it goes up 47 feet per that 1 second. All right, now it's your turn to try. Here's your equation. Notice it's very similar, just slightly changed. This is the effect of gravity, if you're wondering. And I want you to, this would be the original height. That's kind of its velocity moving upwards. And I want you to solve between time of 1 second, 3 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time.